God, the camera died. The camera died. The camera died. Fam. I missed my hair. I missed it. Loved the style. Loved it. It was convenient. It was simple. It was really, it wasn't that easy to put my hair back in a ponytail when I was working out. I mean, it went back there, but it was like a strain on these little pieces of hair pulling back like that. But I did enjoy the last style I had before I took my hair out now for these results. Yeah, I just figured it was time to kind of take it out. And for me, there's no real true if this do this type thing for me. When it comes to when it's time to take out a style. Like I wore this previous style that I had in my Nipsey Hussle inspired style for like a month. Most people I know will probably take their hair out like a weekend after they get it done or day after. But for me, that kind of defeats the purpose because of, like for me, I do my own hair, and even if I didn't do my own hair, if I pay somebody to do it, I put money into that, so I'm gonna need it to last a little bit longer than that. Now if I did my hair, something that I knew was meant for like that day and I wanted to take it down, cool. But normally, I'm not spending that much energy on a hairstyle that I'm going to do and then I'm going to take out immediately. So I like to get some time under it. If it still looks good, I may even leave it in a little bit longer than that. So if we inch into that 3 week to 1 month mark and it still looks good, which this still looked good enough. Whatever you feel is equivalent to that time for you, do so accordingly. Like I said, for me, I try to ride it until I can't get any more wear out of it. Another time when you know it's time to take out your hair is if the style starts to look too old and it's falling apart. So not like, okay, you know, you can see that you had the style in for a while, but if it literally like hair is coming out of nowhere, I can't even describe it, but I've seen some people style and it's like, okay, well, maybe time to let that go because I can see. Like if you're wearing plaits or something or twist and you can see like so much new growth on the plait twist with it still combined, hey, maybe it's time to take that style out. That's an example, at least for the LOC people. I know other people who watch this channel that are not necessarily locked individuals, they will more so be like if you had braids and you can lift your entire braid up. Okay, bam, it's time, let it go. Another time to take it out is, you know, you just miss your hair. You just miss what your natural hair is doing. You get tired of looking at that look. So I think for me, I was at a cross between, okay, it's been a month and I'm missing my hair. So I decided to take it out. I used some distilled water and some coconut oil while I took it out. You guys know I don't like to manipulate completely dry hair, especially when it's been in a style for so long and I want to get like some of the benefits of the style that it was in. So these are my results from it. It's a loose like beach wave from the braid down. So that's what I'm gonna rock this for like a few days and then probably gonna get back in there and get another style out to you guys. If you have any comments or suggestions on what that next style should be, definitely comment below and let me know what you'd like to see and I go ahead and bump that up. Whatever gets the most attention for what they want to see, I'll bump that up the list of the things that I have planned for the LOC side and we'll get that going. But if you guys enjoyed this content, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell so you can get notifications as soon as I post a video. Again, on this channel, you'll find LOC content, a beard content, some lifestyle content, And I guess under the lifestyle content, you can include our travel stuff. But there's some news coming for that, so stay tuned on that one. And as always, until the next one, be easy.